안녕하세요. Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about how to read Korean final consonants. To understand content of today's video, you should already know Korean alphabets, including final consonants. If you are not, please check out my separate video link down below first to understand the content of this video. Let's begin. Can you read those? How about this? Are they sound same or different? Let's find it out. In Korean alphabet, we have 14 consonants. When 14 consonants become final consonants, they only produce 7 sounds instead of 14 different sounds. So I have the list here how this thing works. So n, l, m, this sounds like when it becomes the final consonant. So those sounds exactly same as they should be. So for example, here are the examples that you can see. I have n, na, and then n as a final consonant. Na, nan, and this will be na, lu, nal. Na, mu as a final consonant, nam. Na, as final consonant, nang. So nan, nal, nam, nang. So they sound like they should be. And here are the list of the things that we simplify those final consonant pronunciation. Why? Because 14 consonant, when they become as a final consonant, it is really impossible to pronounce differently for every single one. For example, this g and k will sound exact same, such as I have na and nak, na and nak, exactly same, because it's just too tricky to pronounce differently when it becomes final consonant. B and p will sound exactly same when they become final consonant. Nap, and this p goes at the bottom. You're not going to read like a nap or something like that. It will be same as nap. Those all sound exactly same. D, s, j, h, ch, t will be same sound when they become final consonant, such as I have not, 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 not. All sound same. So to read 14 consonant as a final consonant correctly, you just need to remember that 14 consonant will produce 7 simple sound when it becomes final consonant, and it goes this way. Those will have a same, will produce the sound that they should sound like, and those will produce same sound. So go back to the previous screen that we saw at the beginning. Up, up will sound exactly same. How about this one? Not, 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 not will produce exact same sound. I hope this video was helpful for you to learn how to pronounce final consonant. 고맙습니다. Thank you so much for watching. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.